Hello dear fans. How to convert millimeters to meters. Length is a physical quantity that characterizes how long this or that straight line is in a number expression. There are several systems for measuring length. One of the most common of them is metric, which is based on the meter. Length can also be measured in centimeters, millimeters, etc. It is very easy to convert millimeters to meters. Instructions. Step 1. First, you need to figure out how many millimeters, mm, are contained in 1 meter, m. 1 centimeter, cm, contains 10 millimeters. In turn, 1 meter contains 100 centimeters. Mathematically, this can be written as follows. 1 m equals 100 centimeters, 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeters. Step 2. Based on the first step, you can calculate how many millimeters are contained in 1 meter. 100 centimeters * 10, how many times 10 centimeters fits in 1 m, equals 1000 millimeters. From this it follows that there are 1000 millimeters in 1 meter. The conversion of millimeters to meters can be considered with the following example. The average step length of a man is 1 meter. How many millimeters is this length? Step 3. Solution. It is known that 1 meter is 1000 millimeters, and 10 centimeters is 100 millimeters. Then 1000 millimeters plus 100 millimeters equals 1100 millimeters. Answer. The average stride length of a man is 1100 millimeters. Thanks for watching.